This 2023 Coachmen Sportscoach SRS 339DS is a diesel pusher RV. It is located in Boerne, Texas, 78006 and is offered for sale by Ancira RV. This new Coachmen is 36 feet 3 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, a iced chocolate cherry woodgrain interior, sleeps 6, smoke detector, auxiliary battery, refrigerator, slideout, stove top burner, skylight, microwave, LP detector, TV antenna, water heater, and 72 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this diesel pusher features bunk over cab, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2023 Coachmen Sportscoach SRS 339DS is built on a Freightliner XC-Series chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Ancira RV, visit RVUSA.com.